So I'm Andrew Williams, Operations Director here at Brecon Carreg Limited. So as a business we were established in 1978, so we've been going for over 40 years now, based here at Trap in Carmarthenshire, and we currently employ 42 members of staff. So it's a great honour for us here at Brecon Carreg Limited to be nominated by Lantra in the Food Skills Cymru category, and it's a great vote of confidence in the training and development that we're undertaking for our staff here. Here at Brecon Carreg, training is very important to us and members of our staff. It ensures that we continue on a sustainable path for growth and development, and training really plays an important factor in that, not only for their continued professional development but for the sustainability and growth of us as a business. This allows us then for the staff to, by using these skills then, to improve their jobs. We've done a lot of training in quality and health and safety, so this allows us then not to use consultants, and we can undertake this work ourselves internally, and this helps us then maintain our position as #1 bottle brand in Wales.